Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove Instagram follow limit in 2025. So if you want to follow a lot of people but you get the restriction, so I'll show you the easiest way to fix this issue. First, you have to open your Instagram app, then you will get to your home page. Now again, you have to click onto your profile icon and you will get into your profile. So usually Instagram don't have any limit or restriction for following people. You can follow as much people as you want to. But if you follow a lot of people in a short time span, then you will get the limit or restriction. Let's say you follow 1,000 people within 10 minutes or maybe 1 hour. So then you will get that limit or restriction because they think that you're not a human, you're some sort of computer that is following people. Therefore they put this sort of restriction. So you first have to make sure that you don't follow a lot of people within very short spam. You can follow people eventually one by one in a long time, then you will not get any sort of restriction or limit. But let's say your case is different, you didn't do it in a short spam, you're still getting this issue. Then what you have to do is that you have to click onto these three lines which is in the top right corner. After that, you will get into the settings. Now here you have to look for report a problem where you can submit this issue to the team of Instagram and they will work onto it. So for that reason, you just have to simply keep scrolling down until you see the option for help or maybe report a problem. Here we have this option help. You have to click onto it and click on report a problem. It says that you just have to simply shake your phone, so just simply shake the phone, you will get the option to report a problem. And after that, we just have to simply explain our whole thing up here like you're trying to follow, but you get the limit. And after that, the team will respond and your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can remove the Instagram follow limit. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.